This is absolutely crazy. The storm is upon us, or it's coming. So we're here at Ed's brother's house and it's so friggin' windy. We are not going to be able to put the slides out. Hopefully this wind only is like this today. But the dust, there's tumbleweeds blowing at us. They're probably, I don't know, 50-mile-per-hour gusts. Ed's trying to get the blocks set up. Gotta see the dust storm over here. Over there in the distance. This is wild. Tumbleweeds flying everywhere. It's freaking hazardous out here. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. This is crazy. Probably should just leave both slides in. Oh man. This is why we wanted to come to his brother's house, so we have resources. We can go hang out in the house and plug in if we need to. Wow, and this is just the pre-storm. The real storm comes tomorrow. Wild. Look at the dust over there. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Here's how windy it is. I'm afraid I'm going to get hit by a flying tumbleweed. I think there might be some wind noise on this video. Oh my goodness. Ed's trying to get it leveled out. Crazy. So this should be fun, hanging out with the slides in. Oh my gosh, our RV is not very livable with the slides in. It's very, very tight. But this is way too windy. It'll rip the slide topper. Crazy. Oh my gosh. Let's go inside. We are jacked up. Well, let's get inside. This is crazy. Yeah, I don't know if we can put either slide out. I don't know if we can put the bedroom slide out either.
Let's try it. Remember, it has a much shorter distance. And...
Homie.
Okay.
What do you think?
I need to get up there.
Okay. What do you think, buddy? He doesn't even care.
Yeah,
this is wild.
Okay.
This is crazy. So see how tight it is with the slides in? But that's okay. We're at his brother's house. We can go hang out inside. Take a nap. What are you doing, Ed? Lowering it down a little bit?
Yeah.
Up too high? Oh my gosh, this is wild.
It's still rocking and rolling like crazy.
Yeah.
I had turned us into the wind, but the wind changed.
Oh, we just got to ride this out. Look at that.
I wonder if I should drop us off the jacks and turn us a little more this way.
What good would that do?
It won't rock as much if the wind's coming straight on.
Let me check the forecast. Because I think that the wind like this is only supposed to be for a few hours today.
Till 6 tonight.
Till 6 tonight. And then the real storm comes in. This is only the pre-storm.
Well, we can definitely run the onboard generator.
I can taste dirt in my teeth.
Me too.
It's crunchy.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. That's not what I wanted to have for breakfast.
We're up pretty high, but it's also helping to keep us.
I have dirt in my mouth.
Right.
My teeth are crunchy.
Let's see if we can do better this time. This is going to make it very difficult from here.
All right. See how it is.
This one also seals up really tight.
Yeah, and it's smaller. Yeah, hopefully we can keep the bedroom slide out, because as you can see, it's once it's in, the bed touches the counter and makes for a very unpleasant sleeping experience.
Okay, that slide topper seems to be doing all right because it's not in the direct path of the wind.
All right, well, I'm gonna get the gecko set up. He needs to have his light and stuff. And I need to rinse my mouth out. I got dirt in my friggin' mouth. Okay, Henry's all set up. He really doesn't like traveling. You did a good job, buddy. He's like, why is it so noisy? So he's all set up. He's got his water and his light back on, so he's happy. He's gonna go to sleep. What do you think, buddy? You're a good little traveler. This is just absolutely crazy. Must be an accident or something. The dust in the air is so crazy. Luckily we did all our laundry when we were at the KOA. Gotta make the bed. Alright, I got chores to do. And I haven't eaten yet. Alright, time to get busy. So we had to put the bedroom slide in too because it's just so crazy windy. It was starting to rip the slide topper.
Yeah, you can see the dust blowing at the RV.
Thank God this is only supposed to last through today. And then tomorrow it's just going to be really cold and possibly snow. But this is some crazy wind. This might be the worst wind we've ever been in. I mean, that time in Vegas was pretty bad, but this is pretty bad.
Yeah, when you're outside in it, it's a legit constant 40 to 60 mile an hour, and the gusts are, I'm guessing, closer to 70 to 80. I mean, I can't stand up in it hardly.
Yeah.
Luckily we have the nose of the RV pointed into it, so we're up on the jacks, and I have almost no weight on the suspension at all.
Look at the dust over there across the street.
It is just blowing like crazy. I don't know if you can see the dust over there, but
this is wild.
yeah, this is some wild
It's like tumbleweeds blowing around everywhere. There was a tumbleweed stuck in the slide. We had to go get it out before we could pull it in. And hopefully my cousin's doing all right. They're driving back to Pahrump in this. Good grief.
Oh, it seems to have slowed down just a tiny bit. Luckily this big tree we're parked next to seems to be pretty solid. I don't see the base of it moving at all. It's withstood a lot of wind over the years, so hopefully it doesn't come down today. More dust. Okay, it's 25 degrees outside and it's snowing, and it is sticking to the ground. And just so you all know, it's not a wet snow. This is a very dry snow, like dry powder. Yeah, when we went to, because it was so windy yesterday, we were having 60 mile an hour gusts, and when we finally went to put the slide out this morning, the slide topper decided to not unroll, and it wedged itself against the slide, and we heard a strange thumping. And so we stopped, and then when I was trying to put the slide back in, the slide topper had rolled up and over the top of the slide out. and then got wedged in between the slide out and the RV. Luckily, nothing with the slide out got bent, but the arm on the slide topper, the awning that goes over the top of the slide out, that unrolls automatically, one side of the arm got bent, and we were able to get the slide open this morning, but I had to stand on a ladder and manually unroll the slide topper, and that's probably what we're going to have to do to put it in and out until we can get it to a place where we can have it replaced. When we had the slide out topper, we had the awning on it replaced last year when we were in Cottonwood, and when the guy put it on, he added more tension to the spring so that it had more pressure on it, and he kind of didn't do a very good job putting the slide awning material on, and it's always wrinkled up on that one side. And so I think it was just a failure that was waiting to happen. It didn't really have anything to do with the cold weather. We should have filmed it, but it was kind of a little bit of a panicked situation, and in those situations, me and Sue don't think about grabbing the camera.
No.
But I will go out there later and take a video of what it looks like, and give an idea of what I had to do. But I've been outside enough this morning that I don't feel like standing in the 25-degree weather anymore, so I'm gonna wait till it's warmer, but I'll show it to you later. Okay, there's the slide topper arm that I replaced. I took it off of the back slide, and this is the living room slide, which is really long and has a lot of tension on both ends. So what I did is I replaced it with this arm on the back bedroom slide, and then I tried to straighten that one out as good as I could, and then I put it back on. And this little slide seems to go in and out just fine. And at the same time, we blew a hydraulic hose, and if you look, it's that new one with the green stripe right there. It goes back in there about 3 feet and connects to an actuator. But all in all, the repair went well.